Is your phone feeling slow and sluggish? Let Yes fix that right now with 3 rapid-fire tricks that will make your phone feel brand new. First, we need to shut the back door. Go into your settings and turn off background app refresh for apps that don't need to be constantly running. Your calculator doesn't need to update at 3 a.m. This one simple change frees up so much power. Next, let's clear out the digital Dust Bunnies. Every app builds up a cache of temporary files. Find your most used apps in Settings, go to Storage, and hit Clear Cache. Don't worry, this won't delete your data, just the junk slowing you down. Finally, disable the visual traps. Those beautiful live wallpapers and fancy animations are secretly draining your battery and speed. Switch to a simple, static background and go into your accessibility settings to reduce motion or animations. Your phone will snap open apps instantly. Do these 3 things, and you'll be shocked at the difference. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips.